Welcome to my channel, Molly's Journey.
Chocolate, and this is like a strawberry trouble, okay?
Hi friends, today we're going to make simple and easy bread chocolate waffle recipe. I used Nutella. You can use any other spreads.
It's spicy. I don't want to drink. It's too spicy. I want to know what the spread anyway. No, spread. Yeah. Spread the body. Oil in the bed. So yummy chocolate. It's delicious.
Now you can switch on your waffle maker.
It's hot.
Once it's green, waffle is ready. Wow, quick! Chocolate waffle is ready. Kids will love this for breakfast or snack. If you tried this recipe, please tell us in the comments if it's good. Please subscribe to our channel, click the bell button, like, share, and comment. Thank you. Thanks for watching.